Something special is happening in Hamilton over the next week as the second annual Art Gallery of Hamilton Festival has officially kicked off. Numerous events, activities, and events taking place. Here with more is lead of the festival operations, Jordan Delfs. And we can go back a year because you were on this very couch last year around this time, and you had just kind of got into that role, and it was like, this had never happened before.
Yeah.
So it happened well because there's a second one.
There is, yeah. I'm very happy to be back. I'm happy to get to do it again, and we're back better than ever.
Yeah, okay, so why have an AGH festival?
We really want to expand our audience in Hamilton and offer things that we aren't able to offer the rest of the year, and hope to appeal to an even broader audience.
Like, I wonder the percentage of Hamiltonians, or even around the region, that have never even stepped into the Art Gallery of Hamilton. Like, luckily I've been able to just through this job. Mm-hmm. It's a magical and special place.
It really is, and it's not really what you'd expect, I think.
And like the other thing is too, we want to stress, is like, you don't have to love art. You know what I mean? Like, anybody can experience art any different way. And is that how you kind of curate the festival?
Absolutely, yeah. So we are really trying to get away from people thinking that an art gallery is a stuffy place for fancy people. It really is a place for everyone. And through the AGH festival, we're able to plan events that really appeal to everyone. There's something for everybody.
Okay, so it kicked off last night.
It did.
With what?
We had our opening celebration for our Wonder exhibition. It's a huge exhibition about the real, the surreal, and the fantastic. We had musician Bay Mudd playing, we had a candy bar, there was tours with 13 of the artists in the exhibition that walked us through and talked about their art.
It was a great turnout.
It was, yeah, we had about 450 people out. It was really great.
Were you sitting in the corner just like, I'm just so happy?
Yeah.
Because it's a lot of work. Like, you work on this all year. This is your main role. That's why you were brought on to the AGH.
Yeah, this is my full-time job. I just get to work with artists and find cool things happening in the city and bring them into the gallery.
Okay, let's give a shout out to the artist who created the doodles for the kind of the theme of, I guess, AGH Festival this year.
Yeah, we worked with Heidi Burton this year to create our lovely little characters. She did a really great job, and I feel like they really encapsulate all the things that we've got going on this week.
What's the best way to experience it? What's the best way to take it in?
So we have free admission all week for the next 10 days, and we're also open extended hours. So you can pop by anytime, and there's always something going on. You can also go to our website, which is aghfest.com, and see a schedule of all the events that we have going on, grab some tickets for events.
Because some are ticketed, some are not?
Yeah, so there's a few select things that are ticketed, but we tried to keep as much as possible free and open to everybody.
It's just not at the gallery, though, too.
No.
There's other spots. Did you do that last year?
We did, a little bit. We're building more and more each year, and so this year we are at 6 different venues across the city, all the way from Westdale to the East End.
Is there concerts at the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, so where's that?
We have a big closing concert that's happening at New Vision Music Hall right downtown. It's a beautiful 1800s church that...
It hasn't been really used that much for a venue as of, this is new. This is a new spot.
It's fairly new, yeah. So they're working on creating a really great venue. It's big, it's beautiful.
And who's playing in that?
We have White Horse and Golden Feather, 2 local bands.
Awesome. Let's get into the kids stuff, because that's I don't know, it's kind of be rainy this weekend.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So what do we have for the kids this weekend?
So this coming Sunday, we have a full day from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. of programming. We have music from Hamilton Beat Harmonic, Hamilton School of Music, and the Lone Rue Barbarian. We have lots of crafts, we have a family yoga class, and we have a family intro hip-hop dance class happening. Okay,
moms and dads, let's see what you got, because it's a thing where you just can't drop the kids off. You have to come in.
We tried
it's not a babysitting service.
It's not a babysitting service, but we think that there'll be stuff for moms and dads too.
Awesome. Okay, so then, like, do you already start thinking about, like, have you used the similar stuff that you did last year, what worked, to this year?
We did, yeah. We kind of took the stuff, because last year was the first year. Yeah. It was about figuring it out. So we took what worked and we made it even better. We tried a few new things. We'll see how they go. It's really, it's an evolving festival.
30 seconds, what's your favorite? What are you most looking forward to this week?
Ooh, I am really looking forward to the Print Expo. We have 20 artists coming who work in print media. So we've got zines, illustrations, screen prints, t-shirts, tote bags, and they're just gonna fill the gallery.
When's that?
It is happening on Saturday, the 21st of October.
Because that's when it goes till? Goes till next Saturday.
It does.
AGH
Fest.com.
All right. Happy Fest, everybody.